Okay, lesson 2.04, los días de la semana y los meses del año, the days of the week and the months of the year. So you're going to learn about the Spanish calendar. Now there are some important differences that you want to pay attention to. In the United States, the calendar usually begins with Sunday, but in Spain, the first day of the week is actually Monday. So kind of be careful with that if you're looking at a calendar. You're going to go through, make sure you listen to all the sound files carefully, repeat them and repeat after them. Repeat them means repeat. So lunes, and remember what we said, in Spain the first day of the week is Monday. So lunes is Monday. So lunes, martes, miércoles, etc. So make sure you're practicing those. Last module, you learned the numbers 1 through 29. So you need to make sure that you remember those and keep practicing your numbers if you don't know those yet. So we're going to give you some examples here. They say los lunes on Mondays, martes, miércoles, jueves y viernes estudio en el colegio. You're not going to know all of these words, and that's okay. You're looking at Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and what do you think that they're probably doing here in this picture, and what do students do those days of the week? You study in school, okay? El sábado, el día del fútbol. So on Saturday, it's day to play football. Notice what they're playing and what they're talking about there. It's not football americano. It is football. Most of the world considers football soccer. El domingo es el día de la iglesia en España. So what do you think they do on Sundays? Okay, so those are the days of the week. Now notice here also it says the days of the week and the months of the year do not begin with a capital letter in Spanish. The quiz may mark you wrong if you put it with a capital letter. It is not capitalized. Notice they are lowercase unless it's the beginning of a sentence, of course. So again, it says make flashcards. You need to actually make yourself flashcards or study online flashcards. And you're going to say, it says each flashcard will present an image of the vocabulary term, and then flip it over so you can practice these flashcards right here. Okay, and you can also make your own. It says click on the arrow for the next part of the assignment. So we're going to click on the arrow, and now we're going to get to los meses del año, or the months of the year. Okay, and it's going to go through, and again, be careful with some of these tricky ones. Make sure you listen to them, okay, and listen to them carefully. This is not mayo. Remember, in Spanish, the AY is an I, so it's mayo. Remember the pronunciation of the letter J, or if you haven't listened to it, it's not junio, it's junio. So again, listen and repeat. Again, days of the week and the months of the year do not begin with a capital letter in Spanish. Practice your flashcards. Study, study, study. Then you're going to go ahead and do your practice work file. It is important that you finish those activities. That's how you're going to be prepared for your quizzes and your tests. And check your answers. Go back and find out if there is a reason why you got something wrong, why it was wrong. And now you're going to come to your assessment. This assignment or this lesson has 2 assessments. It has a voice activity and it has a quiz. So after you've studied, you're going to take the quiz. For your voice activity, notice here it says you will need to recite the days of the week and the months of the year in Spanish. Be sure to speak clearly into your microphone computer. This activity will be graded for pronunciation. So make sure you're going back and listen to them very carefully so you can do your best Spanish on this assignment. Thank you.